Yo, chat. We have. Hold on, I'm gonna check if we have news today. 8:30, I don't. Hold on there. Oh, today FMC. So we have news at 2 p.m. chat. We have news at the found out. I never even remember the FMC. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna start share screen. Alright, chat. So I'm supposed to see my screen here now, so let me just load up my journal and then we're good. Alright, nice. Alright, chat. So give me like 2 seconds, chat, and I fall back and we just jump straight in the analysis. Let me load up all the pen to chat, because I forgot. Get this load up. Alright, now we're good. Alright, chat, give me 2 seconds, my soon fall. Alright, chat. Even though today at FOMC, I'm probably going to trade it off stream though. I don't know, I'm probably start up a live stream and trade FOMC with them. I'm not sure. Because we are 2 o'clock before that. Even yesterday was like I think yesterday we lose minus 70 pips. But to your FOMC chat, so we should be able to like, you know, make back something. Yesterday we kinda rough still on forward and they got help on the first day back. Alright, chat, so hopefully you not hear me. We just start with the analysis, bro. Start from the monthly candle chat. At the basically the same thing, bro. Heavily bullish, hold their all-time highs. You know, got 12 days left. As I'm saying, we are expecting monthly candle to close bullish in the last 12 days. You see, well, I'm gonna put up my mic here. Let me fix this. Good, hold on, chat. As I say, chat, we are expect to stay bullish. You see me on the weekly time frame. As I said yesterday, weekly can close above the range. We have like a little mini bottom wick on the weekly time frame. 2 days and 9 hours left until we get like a closure. So it should be good chat for this weekly candle. Unless FOMC forward out and just start doing like strictly like bearish volume, then the weekly candle should be able to flip. If news forward out and just drive gold down, you see me? We have news forward out at 2, FOMC at 2 today. But chat, at some pretty weekly time frame, like since we have like a little mini bottom wick on the daily, you see the daily candle them print structure, would I expect we continue up, you know, until like FOMC, bro. You see me, chat? Kinda bullish for the day. They drop down to like the daily time frame. You can see the daily close above the range, fall down, print a bottom wick. We have 2 candle like 29.84. With bottom wick top 29.84 before we drive up. So I don't like say I just one straight drive up. The candle them actually like print structure. If you look on the daily time frame, we have a bottom wick at 30.25.44 or 0.74. So that not really bad chat, but we'll drop down to like the smaller time frame them and try to figure out like if this daily candle low is enough. If price will fall back down and re-break its lows. Nice. So chat, I'm gonna put a line right here, so this are the hourly candle or this are the daily candle low. You feel me, chat? This are the daily candle low. Forex candle got 19 minutes left, so I'm gonna do chat. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, what may I do? As I'm say, since this are the daily candle low right, as I'm gonna put on next line at 27.30, 37. If we get a closure above 27.37, gold should be able to continue up. You see me? This hourly candle close above, or the print a bottom we could close above and measure the range going up. So chat, remember me that say yo, me I look for a closure above 36 mode. I look for some buys. So see the previous hourly candle close above. After the previous hourly candle close above, the current candle print like a bottom wick, top 36, and then we'll flip bullish. But it's not the thing. We got 18 minutes left until this hourly candle close. You see me? And the 4-hour candle above the close as well. So chat. I think I look for no buys off of this hourly candle since we already flip bullish. You see me? I just wait and see if we can get something now for the next 4-hour time frame. Because if I think about it, if this 4-hour candle close above the range, like oh look now, so we close above the range, bullish above the range. The next 4-hour candle going to need a bottom wick. So I see the next 4-hour candle open up and this like this chat, like drive down at this level. My top 36, 30, 36. And then flip back bullish and push up, and we can also find them break 36. You see me? So I feel like you'd have it better from a wait for the next 4-hour candle and then take a trade. You see? Cause if the next 4-hour candle going to need a bottom wick anyway. So if we take buys right now, you'll expect some rejection. You see me chat for the next 4-hour candle. With the 30 as well, I like the range feel after the daily low. So with the 30 as well, chat, like if I look by the 30-minute time frame, we have a range going up. Let me see the range again. Alright, chat. So as I said, so we got range going up towards the top of the range. That would have been like 47 pips. So look what I could do. Instead I put this line right here, so I'm gonna adjust it like up some more, chat. I put it on like the 30-minute candle structure right there, so and then put one next line up on like the range fill on like the top of the range. So this is the range where I look to take advantage of, chat. Once we get like a closure above, this candle close above in like 16 minutes. You see me? That would have been the 4-hour candle closing above, and if we close above, we'll just wait for the 4-hour candle print a bottom wick, and then we'll have to take some buys. You see me? Then look for take some buys going up towards 44, towards 30, 44 chat. And so I'm gonna say the range going up is like 48 pips. You see? Somewhere I look for go about it. Can go high. Chat for the sales them chat. Me personally, I'm gonna look for text on sales. Like say if this daily can go forward back and flip bearish. You see me chat, or not the daily. What I say? Idea. No, the 4-hour. Yeah, the 30. So chat, look, we got 15 minutes left. Say if this 30 minutes can go flip bearish chat. We'll have to see some closures below. Before we take sales, we'll have to flip bearish. To have to get some closures below. What I need to see another top wick get print at 26, no, at 30, 36. If we can close below, push up top 20, 36, that would have been decent. Then we'll have got some sales using the chat. I'll remove this. We'll have for some sales going down towards, cause chat, my trade like range to range. So if me I go look for some sales below 36, why like, I always ask myself, why like we have clean range to the left towards where? Yes, I'm trying to find out where we have clean range towards. And as I can see, so we take sales below this yellow line chat. Every time price close below this yellow line was always over far down and fill the range. When this can go fill the range right there. So see all of them can go chat, far down fill the range over here, stuff same thing happen. Was just always able to fill the range. So that's why you put that line right there, so at 30, 33. And you see me, if we get a closure below 35, we'll look for sales going down towards 33. You see me? But for the buyers them chat, a closure above 20, above 30, 39, and then we'll look for buys going up towards 30, 44, or even 30, 42. So somewhere I look for go about it chat. You see me? So let me know if you understand the analysis. That are the analysis, bro. So now we just play the waiting game. So if you look on this 15 chat, we get like a 15 closure. Would I say this 15 close respecting? We close above or respecting? That's how we close right at it, chat. You see me? So this is the thing, bro. 15 can definitely drive up since we close above the range, but me I wait for a bottom with chat. You see me? 12 minutes left. More 12 minutes left until the 4 can go close. You see if this can go don't print like a bottom wick. If we print a bottom wick chat, then I just wait 12 minutes because as I'm saying, the next 4 can go and need a bottom wick anyways. So it should be able to get like an entry. You see it? Look clean though. So now we just play the waiting game chat. You see it? Alright chat, so look, angle forward down, flip back bearish, after I print a top wick. As I say chat, I say I look at bottom wick then print, you see me, so I just 15 forward down, print a bottom wick and then push back up and close above 39. That would have been good, you see me. Forward down, print structure, then push all the way back up, close above 39. Yeah, chat, that would be ideal, bro. As now that would have been the 30 minute can go, we got 10 minutes left. 30 minute can go that close above, or if the 30 minute can go close above, look at another bottom wick for the next 30, and then once that 30 flip, that would have been my buys going up towards 44, or I think it's a 42 right there, so let's see my chat. So chat, look, you see the bottom wick, they will just get print chat, that decent, you see me, that decent. We got 8 minutes left chat, 8 minutes left. Can this candle flip bullish within 8 minutes, or we are gonna just close above the next 4 candle like print a bottom wick? Let me see. So chat, you know man, do chat. You see if this 15-minute candle flip chat, may I prefer take some buys on this 15-minute candle flip, because if it fall down on top 38, flip back bullish, we expect price fall up and rebreak the highs. You see me? We expect to fall up and rebreak the highs. Towards the rebreak of the highs are like 13 pips. Towards the range fill are like 25. You see me chat? So that's how we would have pre for the bro. We got only 7 minutes left until we close. I'ma say. The thing is chat, if me enter buys now chat, the next 4 candle, as I'ma say, the next 4 candle fall up in like 7 minutes. So that's why I don't really want to put no buy stop on the candle flip as yet. I gotta just wait 7 minutes, you see me chat. But this is the bottom week. If we can tap this level and reject close above the range, that would have been decent. I just got me away on chat. You see me? Hopefully I understand like the idea. You see for a closure, I will forward up. Now if we not get no buys now chat, we might get some buys on the next 4 I can go. So we're chilling bro, we got 6 minutes left. As I'm gonna chat the idea behind it. You see, if I'm gonna say it once again, like, look, we'll have 5 minutes left until this 30 close. You see it. See if this 30-minute candle chat, this current bullish 30-minute candle, see if we close above 39, that would have been my bias going up. You see, because that would have been the 4-hour candle closing above. If the 4-hour candle close above, once we get like the next 4-hour candle print like a bottom wick, buy stop on the 4-hour candle flip, you'd expect we top 30, 44. We'd expect a range fill, or at least there's a 30, 42 right here. So we'd expect we rebreak the highs and push up chat. Using like a 40 pip range going up. Like the idea for the buys them in a 5 minutes and for sales chat. You see if this 30-minute candle flip, idea I have for sales. If this 30-minute candle flip, you would look for take nothing on your flip. Would I just wait same way because more of a say a closure below. You see chat. If we can get a closure below 36, closure below 35, and get like another top wick, push up on top 38 or 36, then that would have been my sales. You see me? Sales below 35 going down towards 33. You see me chat? But as I'm saying, this can go down for flip. We get some bearish closures below. After we get bearish closures below, chat, we want to see candle them reject. Because you have to give candle a chance for drive up. So if a candle can reject on top 38 or top 36 and flip back bearish, that would have been my sales going down. You see me? So that's the idea for both buys and sells. Hopefully we get what me afford from. Just play a waiting game. We got like 3 minutes left, right? We We got the last 3 minutes left. Alright, chat, so look. Or I can go close above the range, chat. We get like another bottom wick. So chat, you know me I do chat? Me I look for some buys on this 4 I can go chat, but wait. So you think? More I say a steeper bottom wick than that, chat. You see this? What gold just print that could be enough, because as you can see, it's like a break and retest. Look, we have structure over here, so this 4 I can close above. As I can see, we close above previous structure. Once we close above, normally this can go that just fall down, retest, and then flip bullish and drive. That could be enough, but we just want to see price re-break its lows, which we would just do just now. You see it? Then we would look for put some buy span like the can go flip. You see my chat? So I look for put some buy span, the can go flip. But me let me see the range going up. Range going up, I like what? At like 14. Towards this I like 16. Or we might be able to get some weekend tree in a chat. You see, if gold just forward all the way down, bro, we might even get some weekend tree. Cause eventually this Forex can go down for flip. You see, would I get like a better chance to go break even and survive break even if we forget like a weekend tree. But let's see, bro. Go and wait and see, chat. Having a buy stop on the candle flippers yet. Man, I couldn't know I'm putting buy stop. So the thing, chat. Even though far down for your bottom week, from the flip is like once we top 38, price should react at 38, and it's only a 7 pip going up, 7 pip range going up towards 28 from the candle flip towards the yellow line right or so. So only a 7 pip range. As you can see in my past chart, was able to get reaction once we tap this level right here, so be a rejection over here, so be a rejection over here, so it's the thing, bro. You see, if as I'm saying, if we get like a weekend trade, would I be chilling because no could I go risk free? You see me? And see if 30 37 going get break, but say we end up on the flip, it's like it's only a 7 pip advantage towards this, so this how me a wait point. You see, if we can like print a top wick and the candle like close above chat and we fall back down for like another bottom wick, then we'll look for my entry. Cause as I'm say, you see how price a react when we top 38, 36, 38 chat. As I'm say, bro, we would be able to survive break even. You see me, we break even, we get hit, bro. But if we get a weekend trade, would that be good? So now what we want for the chat is a closure above. You see me? Now make sure price I go break 38 and close above. So I just wait and see. If we not get no closure above, so we top 38 and price just start for reject. You see me? Price would definitely reject further and break 36 and bring like a steeper bottom. Could I even top 34? 34 charge, or could I even top 34 and then start for reject? So now just so I go do. 4 was clean still. The yellow candle can still flip bearish too in the chat. Yellow candle flip like at 33. So chat, 5 minute candle close respecting, is it? 5 minute candle close respecting, close bullish respecting, never close above 38. If we can get like a next bottom week print chat, if we can get like a next bottom week print, 5 minute candle flip bullish, let me see the range going up how much. So like what, 16 going up. So chat, I look for no buys after this. I look for no buys after this. What do you call this? This 5 minute candle either. The reason for that is because we close respecting. Yeah, gold can still drive up even though we close respecting. Because if this bottom week is enough, bro, like gold can actually drive up and close above the range within 3 minutes. Is it? But me I'm not gonna take no buys yet because they can't go close respecting. More see an actual closer above the range, and then I would look for take buys. You see. So if this 5 did close above the range and print a bottom weight, I put some buys up on the 5 minute can go flip. But close respecting. You see. Close respecting. You just wait for like the higher time frame or something. You see, if we're not getting an entry chat, if we're not getting an entry, bear in mind, like the official like plan we have or overall plan we have, we just wait for buys above 38 or 39. You see me? Once we close above 30, 39, we go look for buys going up towards 42. You see me? Put this right as up. We look for buys going up towards 42. Chat. And measure the range. I think this range is like a 23 pip range. You see me? 24. So that would have been good, bro. But I just this level at 38 when I talk about chat. It's like this, we have like a level at 38 where you expect price for react off of. And as I'm say, that's why I'm not anytime I buys, because clearly forward up top 38 and then price start for react. And not only that, it's just a 7 pip advantage going up towards 38 chat. If it was like 15 to 20 pips, then would I take buys going up towards 38. But I will 7 pips. You see. So just stay out of that. Might get some entries soon still. But that's the idea of the alpha buys though, chat. And the sales idea then, as I say, would have to like a closure back below the range. If you can get like a closure below the range, that would have been decent. Now look, you see, if we do a goal at jive though, bear in mind chat, like we have rejection level, like you see we was able to top like I think at a 30-35. When we top 30-35, then price start to reject. So bear in mind this is the 4 candle flip right, so the 4 candle still above the range. Forward up price start to react at 38. You see me? When me a wait on is a bottom wick. Say if price forward down, re-break his slows, print a bottom wick at 30-35, and then forward all the way back up and flip bullish, then we'll look for some inches chat. You see me? I know we'll have like a high chance of breaking 30-38 because we already get like a top wick. We already get like a top wick with top that level. So it's like if you can go flip back bullish, it would be like like a wick fill. You see me? And once we fill the wick, should be able to close above. So alright, we're re-breaking the lows chat. But we'll see if we can like tap this level. But we'll see if we can tap 35, 30-35 right that's all. And if we tap 20-35, can go flip back bullish, that would have been my engine going up. You see me? So but we'll see. I feel like I have too much line on my chart. Let me just delete everything and put back a couple lines. Not like when too much line up on your chart. You just look away. But hopefully we're gonna get like the idea. We're gonna get the idea behind the two yeah, right, so both buys and sells chat. Alright chat, so we're close. Almost there. This could definitely be enough in the chat. We're basically top 35 just now. But me want to like look chat. See me have 2 levels mark up, right? Me have 35.62 and me have 35.01. You see me? So far down we top the first level. You see me chat? This could definitely be enough, but you know that'd be ideal if we can fall down on top 35 or 34 and then price reject and close back above the range. That would have been my price going up chat. Because as I can see, like if you follow like historical data in the past when we top 34, price was able to reject. Here's in my chat. I remember right here, so at the 4 hour can go flip. So if we top 34, this can go far down top 34 or 35, flip back bullish. That would have been my entry going up. As I can see, that pass on the flip bullish was able to drive up. Here's in my chat. And on top of that, this is the 15-minute time frame now. If you look on a higher time frame, we in an uptrend for a can go close heavily bullish above the range. You see me? And this for a can go just open up. The other expense for a can go print a bottom wick, even if it go drive up. So that could have just do what happen right now. Or I can go basically a print a bottom wick. So after we tap the level I chat, if they can go manage flip back bullish, that would have been my entry. You see me? This gold drop drastically. You think gold are gonna drop? Definitely we could drop. We could definitely just drop, but this are the thing. This are the thing when I try to stay away from chat. This are the thing. If gold are gonna drop, since we remember this are the 4 can go flip. We are about to get like a closure in a couple seconds. You see we have like a bunch of rejection right as a child. See all of the rejection over here, so price was always able to reject. But on top of that, the 4 can go is above the range. Current 4 can go above the range. So this is the thing. If we start to get closures below, then we can say alright, gold are gonna drop. We not react from the levels over here, so but if price will start react from right here, so and forward all the way back up and flip bullish, that are the 4 hour candle. That are the 4 can go flip right here, so you see me? So if this 4 can go flip, bro, I feel gold are gonna fly. If this 4 can go flip back bullish. You see me chat? But in order for gold drop, I take sells, more obviously close and below. Because I'm open to the sales idea them as well. You see? So like this 5 close below the range, nice. Pushing up for your top week, 15 close below. 15 just close below as well, chat. Far down and fill the range. So look, this was like a closure below the range shot, but this was half of the 5 and the 15. More wait and see, cause we can definitely still play bullish, and not only that, we don't have to see a steeper top weight than that. You see me? More emphasis on steeper than that chat, just to make sure so we are gonna stay down. You see it? That was a quick range fill, top 33 on that. Just start to react. So chat, can we get like a closure back above 37? And not even a closure, but we have put buy stop on the 4 hour can go flip. So chat, if when we start forward up close, as I'm saying, I might put some buy stop and like the 4 hour can go flip. You see it? There's a 40 here. So chat, say if if we forget like activated on the 4 candle flip, I would have put my stop loss on the 4 candle lows. You see me? That would have do. So you know what? I place my buy stop them now, chat. I place buy stop at 37.22. That's where I put my buy stop. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, 37.29. No, not 29, like that, too low. Yeah, chat, but I'll go with 2037.22. Yeah, 2037.23, not 22, sorry. Yeah. So that's how my buy stop the chat. 37.23. Right on the hourly candle flip. And the hourly candle flip is also the 4-hour flip as well. I'm gonna put my stop loss on the candle low. Here's in my chat. So when I get activated, that's just the idea. You see me? That's just the idea we have. I'm gonna expect once we forward up chat this 4 candle, if it can match for rebreak its highs, you know, would probably close full at like 39 or close half and make it run towards all-time highs or towards 30 40. So chat, that's like the trade idea. I remove this right now, but I have buy stop same way upon the candle flip. I make you know when I go delete buy stop. When I delete them, I make you know. If we start get closures back below the range, then we would delete buy stop. So King, you're bearish for the day, bro. You're bearish for the day. Alright, chat. As I'm say chat, I got buy stop on the candle flip. You see me? I got buy stop at 37.23. Yeah, that's on buy stop 2037.23. So if this candle for flip bullish, will I get activated? You see? As I'm say, stop loss would have on the candle low. I'll think about it. We flip bullish, would expect price to forward all the way down, re-break its lows if it want to drive up. So chat, look like we might get activated. I think with like about 10 pips, yeah, 12 pips away just now. This is the thing, chat. If we not drive up, and we start to get like closures below like 34, we start to get closures below 34, would I delete buy stop. But the thing is, when I start to get no closures below as yet, you see me? Fall down if you have bottom week, if this can go flip back bullish, that would have been my entry, bro, cause I pray that as the 4 can go bottom week. Remember I said the 4 can go in neither week. And once this 4 can go print a bottom week, if we flip bullish, that would have been with entry to go up towards like 38 or 41. So we'll see, bro. See what I could go on. Chat, you see, if this 5 minute can go close below the range within 2 minutes, chat, I go delete buy stop. You see me? Or if this 15 minute can go close bearish. So I'll just time, bro. Got like 7 minutes until the 15 close, and this 5 minute can go close within like 2. It's about to say oh we'll close. Think it was like 12 pips away from get it from being activated. Gold just start recheck again. King said, King bearish for the day. Up top monster why pre, bro. Monster why you say you bullish or you bearish there. Or you even check your charts from morning. This day I play waiting game, bro. Chat, we got 5 minutes left. You see me? Bear in mind, if we get like closures below the range within 5 minutes, chat. If we get closures below the range within 5 minutes, bro, I delete the buy stop on my half. You see it? But we don't get no closures yet, so that's why I still have buy stop. So we close bullish above 35 or yeah. So we close bullish above 35. We'll leave it, chat. You see me? We'll leave it, bro. So let me see. We got 2 minutes left for your closure. You see this top wick we just get print shot, it's a decent top wick, you see me? So look, you see if this 15 shot, look, it's how me a pre. See this 15, right? That's how the candle flip. See it? We flip bearish, we push down, I think we drive down first when the candle open up, and then we reject and push up and we tap 36 for your top wick. After we tap 36, the candle never flip at 37. We tap 36, then gold start for reject. So this is a decent top wick. When we want to see now a closure below. See if we close bearish below the range and we get like another mini top wick first chat, we'll look for take wick entry sells for forward down. You see me? That's what we'll look for do. Since gold print a top wick and close bearish below the range. But if we close bullish chat above 35, it's still a bullish candle, so the next candle can open up, drive down, print a bottom wick, tap into like these levels over here. So you see we have rejection right as well. Can literally print the push down top like 34 and flip bullish and continue up with the higher time frame, which is like the 4-hour candle is still above the range. You see me? So that me I wait and chat them two ideas, bro. So I just want to see how the candle go close. So we have idea for both buys and sells. And chat, if I can't see like my chart, like every stream look like, you can just watch it streaming like, how we name again? I think at 1080, yeah. Because when you click on the stream, it's like you're in a like 3 something, like 380 or 360. So you can just upgrade like the quality. Just put in a like 1080p and you're gonna see like it can goes them better. Everything we talk about is it. You have to like click on your video and tap like your settings. Like a YouTube video, I just stream, click on settings, and then you see quality. Or sometimes I have in a 480. Just put in a 1080. Chat, nice closure below the range, chat. If we can tap 34, chat, my market executes or sells, chat. My takes or weekend sells, chat. Let me see. So chat, as I'm saying, chat, if we push up top 35, that would have been decent with a market executes or sells. Forward so close, like a pip away. Literally 1 pip away, bro. 2 pips. So chat, me I delete buy stop, you see me? Cause we get like a closure below the range now. Go and wait and see. So chat, can we tap 35? Chat, if we tap this level right here, my market executes or sells. You see me? Just market executes or sells position. You just want to see a steeper top wick. Just the 30-minute candle closure as well. Like a rebreak at the highest, chat. If we get like a rebreak at the highest, that would have been good, but that might be it. You see me? That might be it, bro. Former still, if we just drop without way, drop without way. You see it? Power close though, like 2 pips away. Whoa. on that. Goal a drop now. Goal a drop now. Was only like 2 pips away, chat. Can you imagine? Just 2 pips away. The GG is still. No, now to get the entry a chat. No, now to enter in ourselves. Me that enter in, but as I say, bro, forward so close. You just want to like re-break his highs and top that yellow line, yeah. That would have been clean. No chat. No man, just wait. You see it. Just wait. Probably mark up some new levels and see our time 9:33. Still got more range going down for sales in our chat. We still got more range going down, but if we can get like closures below, then we'll look for some more sales. Like anything below 31 or so, could I definitely get some more sales going down. But I wait till it can go close, though. You see it. I wait till it can go close. Literally just drop, bro. It was like a peep away from entry chat. I just did one goal, re-break his highs. That would have been it. See 5, yeah, so we'll get like a closure below the range chat. Let me just get some new line markup. Hold on. So just close below 29. That range going down. Hold on. Like 13 pips. A chat like on this 5, you see we got 4 minutes left. We got 4 minutes left by this 5-minute time frame. So you know more to do? Let me measure. Let me see something one more time. Let me see if this 5-minute can go flip and we get some entry on the 5-minute can go flip. Range going down at like 13 pips. Range going down at like 13. I'm gonna go by 15 and see something. We got 9 minutes left. 5-minute can go deep close below. 24. Chat, basically what I worry about chat is just the higher time frame. You see it? That's that my problem now. We got 25 minutes left. Print a top week, nice. So chat, you know me I do chat, I look for some sales on this 5-minute can go flip chat. Whoa, what the fuck? So chat, I'm going into some sales on the 5-minute can go flip, but I'm going into some sales on the 5-minute can go flip, but I think I get slip. I think I get slip just now. Hold on. So chat, I basically close full. I get into sales on the can go flip. I'm basically close full on the range fill. I have to close full chat cause I think my entry get messed up, bro. Let me see. My entry was messed up, chat. I think 29.15 So chat, all the way down, so my entry did there. My entry was all the way down there, so it's like a fucked up entry chat. Me want an entry pan, they can go flip, or can go break even or whatever. I true like when my market execute sells, me get like spreads get me, bro. But chat, me no longer in that trade there. I'm close off because as I say, bro, the entry was messed up. Me just wait for another position. You see, I try to get some sales on the candle flip. I think my entry was all the way there, so bro, not stealing that. Cause true, I want to break even chat and risk free the trade, bro. We're not gonna survive break even. Like we break even that being get hit, bro. But what I gonna do? I just wait for like another top week. I wait for like the 15 closure. That I'm gonna do chat. And I think that trade chat, that trade was like, I think we make like 4. I think we close off at like 4 or 6. It's either 4 pips or 6 pips chat. Cause as soon as we enter my system, my entry fuck up, bro. My close off a position. We make like 6 pips off of that trade there just now. But me leave really I got count that. Just call like a break even trade. Just call like a break even trade chat. If no make profit off of that trade there. It was only 6 pips. Alright, chat, we got 5 minutes until we get like a closure. As I'm gonna say, bro, might get something now for the next 15 closure. I just wait and see. Or the next 5. So chat, we look for some sales below 27. There's it. So sales below 27 would have been decent. 5 minute candle close below, but it never close below 27. So I'm not gonna look for nothing now for this 5 minute candle flip chat. This 5 minute candle flip, I'm not gonna have no sell stop, no nothing. Because this I know where more. I want a sales below 27. You see this close below like 28. Can literally flip bearish top 27 and just start for reject. So I wait and see what price do. If we can go flip and close below, that would have been good chat, cause Modo have no sales and it can go flip, but think about it. If this 5 minute can go flip and close below, right? Remember we only got 4 minutes left on the 15. So if that 5 minute can go flip bearish, that will lead to the 15 minute can go closing bearish below the range. So like if we get like a 15 can go close bearish below the range, that would have been like, it'd be like the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. You see it? So if we get like a 15 can go closure below instead of 5, that would have been E for better. You see it? So if this 5 can just flip bearish, that would have been good for we, bro. And then the 15 just stay down within the last 3 minutes. We flip, nice. So chat, nice. So we flip. You see me? As I'm saying, more of no sales just yet. I want to see if we can get like a closure below. Closure below would have been nice. Closure below 27. 30, 27. Got like 2 minutes left. So when I talk about chat, they can go literally flip bearish and just like flip back bullish and start to push up. The reason why me not enter the sales chat because me look left. If you look on like over here, so that is basically what happening in my parts. Well, I'm zooming for you. As I can see, bro, last time we closed below 28. If you look over here, so we get like a closure below 28 over here, so, and then candle them just range. We forward down and we tap the 28 or 27 when we look for take sales below, and we just push back up. So that's the thing, chat. Me will look for taking the sales when they can go below 27. You see it, if we close below 27, which is a closure below this structure right there, so then we will say, alright, we got clean range going down now. This should be like a clean range, like an easy range fill. But we're not close below yet, so they can't go flip bearish. They just flip back bulls and stuff, push up. This is like, now we are like the higher time frame a chance to flip bullish. Like the 30-minute candle and the 15. You see, if them react and close like bullish or even bearish respecting, then we can say alright, before I candle and the hourly candle can definitely still flip. Because remember that the original plan, like the 4 hour candle flip, is in it. But if that not happen, now we just print top wick and then they can go reject after we print a top wick, then we could have look for text on sales after we get like a closure below. So this is like a chance for the can go reject. You see me, chat? As basically this how happen, like the can go basically fall down, then after I start to push up. So if it can go push up and reject and fall back down, close back below, you get what me I say, we could have looked for text on sales going down, because this would be like clean range. That's what me I try to say. Alright, so we close bullish, respecting weight, now bullish below. So we close below in the last second chat. So 15 close below. That will let me see. It's the last 15 minutes of the hourly as well. In your chat, man, wait and see. 15 just closed below the range. You got the last 15. The last 15 minutes of the hourly normally reject. So look, chat. So you think this 15-minute candle can definitely flip bearish and forward down. This is how I expect, chat. This 15 candle can flip bearish, forward down towards 28. You see me, or this yellow line on my have right here. So you have a forward down, print a bottom, we got 28 and flip back bullish and then close back above the range. You know that would be good, bro. So it might as well go wait. Might as well go wait on like the hourly candle closure. You see me? And just see how this 15-minute candle like react. Cause as I'm say, we close below. But we still have rejection level at 28. Remember the 5-minute candle just look fall down at 28 top, and then we just reject flip bullish. So still got rejection at 28 and the 15-minute candle above that. So any given time this 15-minute candle can just flip back bullish. So I just wait to see if we can get like a closure below 27, or we are gonna top 28 and just flip back bullish. I'll just go and watch it pre. So we're going. But if we don't flip back bullish, chat, bear in mind the hourly candle closure forward up. You see me? And we can go look for some sales when the hourly candle closure. Once the hourly candle print at top, we could enter upon the hourly candle. So I will see, chat, if this 5 or if this 15 I go drive close below, or if we are go top 28 like what we just do and just flip back bullish. I would just top 28, so I'm gonna see now. See if it can go, I go flip bullish or not. chat yesterday levels out me and mark up levels, bro. What up, bro? Levels on what I look to take bias above, bro. You see it? This is like a 16 pip range going up. We got like 10 minutes left. Can we get like a closure above? So chat, look. You see if we get like another bottom wick, top like 29 or something like that, that would have been decent, bro. But I look to get some bias 29, 28, go fill the range. Go fill the range. So chat, look. Basically the same thing we talk about, bro. It's like the 15 minute close below, we top 28 and then we flip back bullish. That's how me like, that's why I never enter no sales. You see? So now these are the thing, chat. Now that we have a top wick, you see me, now that we have a steeper top wick of a 15, if we flip back bearish and start to get closures below, then we would have to take some sales position. You see it? But we would wait for that first. Buys above 31 would have been decent as well. We got 2 minutes left, chat. You see me? In a 2 minutes, if this can go close bullish above the range, we get like a next bottom with top 30, like 30.75. Would I look for market execute some buys? You see me for a weak entry, because we got clean range going up towards 32. You see me, chat? See what I got me do. Well, I didn't forget like a bottom wick. Chat, the last 6 minutes are the hourly. Matter what the hourly gonna need a top with. So chat, you saw me a pre. You see within a minute and 20 seconds, chat. You see if we close in the mid like the range. If we close bullish above, next can go open up, chat, and just forward down and top 30. What you call this? 30.77. We tap this yellow line on my have right there, so I'm gonna look for some buys. You see? And the idea behind it, I just like we have clean range going up. You see, we have clean range going up. Once we get a bottom wick right there, so we should be able to reject. As you can see now, pass. As you can see over here, so on the 5 minute time frame chart, every time we tap this level, we was able to reject and push up. You see it? So then you can go over here, so tap, or then you can go tap and we push up and fill the range. So this can go, we break, we push up and fill the range. So historical data show that, You see it, so that's why I made that. So we got like 20 seconds left. If we get like a bullish closure, a bottom wick first stop at this level, when the market execute some buys, I'm gonna just expect like a range fill, and the range going up. I think the range going over like 20 pips. Yeah, 20. Wait, I'm measure it at 20. Well, I'm gonna say 20. No, try 18. That good. 18 pip range we got going up. And not all of that. Worst case, we got 4 minutes left, chat. If the next hourly candle going drive down, you would expect it bring the bottom wick first. You see my chat. If the next hourly candle going drive down, you would expect that. So look, bow down, we top 31. But I just want to say we break 31 and top 30, chat. You see me? That's what I want to say. And if we can top 30, then that would be like my entry. That would be my entry, chat. So if it came like 4 pips away, bro. So chat, I never enter no buys just now because as I'm say, I don't expect 31 get top this yellow line and we fall down and we top we fall down and we feel like the range. I don't expect we break and just top 30. And that would have been my entry, but that never happened. So I just stay out. You see it, we fall up and fit the range. Range get filled now. Whoa. Imagine if this 4 I can go flip out same way, chat. That's still possible. And by that did I get first idea we have. So chat, we basically goal drive without bro. Like it was just like 4 pips away from entry point and goal just fly. But since we fill the range, I just look for some new range. You see me? Mark up some new range and look for some different position because we still got the 4-hour idea what we have. Because remember that idea what we have from morning. Where can print a bottom with flip back bullish. You see? So if the 4 can go for drive all the way up, we could get some buys on the 4 can go flip. That would be decent as well. If that can. And if we don't get no chat by 10:30, I just call it a stream. You see me? We did get like a first trade. We catch like 6 pips for the trade because of spreads. You see me? So my entire trade, bro. We get like a messed up entry. So I'm just close off that position there. Cause my entry did terrible, chat. Those are the spreads, them, bro. Chat, I just adjust the levels, then you see it for when they can go close. I already have the levels, then adjust it. I get a closure in like 20 shot, look. If we forget like a closure above 34, that would have been decent, bro. But I forget some buys going up towards 36. But we close bearish below chat. So chat, you know me I got the chat. Me I look for like, you see if gold can drive all the way down first, me I look for market execute some what you call it? Some buys. Look for market execute some buys for your weak entry. If we can tap, that would have been decent, or if we can tap like 31 or 30. Chat, me I look for buys right now. So chat, me just market execute some buys once we tap 30. You see me 30, 31. Basically, it's just a weak entry. You see it, me I expect say yo on this 4 candle, not the 4. On this 50-minute candle, would I have like a better advantage point, you see me? And would I expect is 30-minute candle for flip bullish. So when we flip bullish, would I have like a better advantage point going up, bro? Or could I like survive break even? Drive down without a top wick, 30-minute candle, I expect 30-minute candle print a bottom wick, you see chat. So as I'm saying, it's like once we like print like a bottom wick flip bullish, that would be like we gotta go risk free on the candle flip, you see me? Since we get like a weak entry. And in this case, chat, my stop loss I got up on the candle lows. As somebody said, bro, we work with the candle lows for my stop loss. Yeah, after the rebreak of the hourly lows as well. Yeah, chat. So I'm telling you exact level where I put my stop loss. Let me measure this. I think this is our 40. Hold on the chat. How much charge are they? Before I got dead. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna grab my charger real quick. Alright, put this one charge. Alright, I'm gonna say chat. As I'm gonna say chat, yeah. My stop loss. In this case, let's say rebreak of the lows, right? That's up. Got the range going down. Alright, chat. I put my stop loss right as up. So chat, my stop loss, telling the exact level where I gotta place it. 36, no, not 36, 3026.62. Where? Yeah, right, that's all. Or no, 78, 3026.78 chat. That's my stop loss. Yeah, 3026.78. Think alright. 36.78, right there, so yeah. So chat, as I said, bro, I just basically I expect like a 30-minute candle flip. You see if this 30-minute can manage to flip bullish mode, I look for a break even on the trade. You see it, and I just expect like a range fill at like 36. You see me? If we can tap 36, that would be good. So the hourly candle as well. So the hourly candle closure. There's 4 set 4 candle forward back down. 4 candle lows. start of the trade, I got into chat. As I'm say, there's a flip, bro. Towards 33. So would I look to be an advantage. Closure above. But put my stop loss and you can't go lower, cause my pre say yo, if gold I go drive up, what do you need for re-break the candle lows? I'm gonna get like a little bit of breather room. You see it? So even if we do re-break the candle lows, I think like I'm gonna measure it from the re-break of the lows to like my stops. From the re-break of the lows to my stops are like 8 pips. You see it, chat? So it's just like an extra breather room, bro. So we can re-break the lows. If we continue down, then that would have been my stops. You see it? The chat, this 5 minute candle close below the range without a top wick. You see me? We never expect like we get like a bearish closure below the range. You see it, chat? Especially without a top wick, we expect like at least a top wick get print first. But we get a closure below the range. This next 5 minute candle, we got 3 minutes left. So this is the thing, bro. See if this 5 minute candle print a bottom wick at 27 and respect 27, flip back bullish, would have still be good. But if we break 27, you know, like most likely my stops are gonna get hit. But we still got like rejection level at 27. You see it? So it's if this 5 minute candle can respect this low where it just print and flip bullish, then would have be good, bro. If we fall down, break the lower, then most likely my stops are gonna get hit. You see it? And it would have be GG's. It would have be a GG's, bro. We got 7 minutes left, chat. Can this 5 minute candle flip bullish? Give like a closure above 31. That would have been decent. I'm just going to watch and see what I got going. I think in this case, chat stops are what? I think my stop loss are like 50 pips. I have like a 50 pip stop loss on that trade. I say if this hit stops, it's like a 50 pip L, bro. Normally on average, my stop loss are like 100 pips. Well, like anywhere from like, when I say anywhere from like 30 to 100 pips, you see it? So I normally do it, chat. All I do, I just lower my lot size so you can be able to have a stop loss like that. People will always be like, oh, your stop loss too big. I just have to use stop loss like this, chat, because it did it for a reason. You see me? If gold fall down and break the lows, then mood I say, alright, we're gone, you know? Like, we're gone completely. But I can't have like a stop loss anywhere else but right that's away there, bro. No matter if it's like a 50 pip stops or a 60. I try if you not go over 100 though. Stop loss them I like in max stop loss I have I like 100 pip stop loss. So we're re-breaking the lows, chat. So say most likely my stops are gonna get hit. Re-breaking the lows, we got 40 seconds. For the candle close, so if this 5 minute candle close below the yellow line in like 40 seconds, yeah, might be cooked, bro. 5 minute never flip. We got 5 minutes left on this 15 minute candle. And for 15 minute candle close bearish, the next 15 going need a bottom wick anyways, and we might get like wick out of this position. me see. Let me see how the candle close. The chat will close below the range. You see it? We close below the range. Can go print a bottom with first. So yeah, bro. If this can go flip, breaks the lows, it might just come straight down to stop loss. And this could be a fake out chat. It could be a fake out like a closure below the range. But this is the thing. We got only 4 minutes left. I'm gonna expect the next 15 minute candle. Like if this 15 minute candle close below the range, you'll expect the next 15 minute candle to drive down. So I want to see like a closure respecting chat. If we can get a closure respecting, then would that be good, bro? Closure respecting would that be decent? So chat, basically the only thing chat where price and reject off of, why be a stud? Only thing where price and reject off of chat, I just never lose over you see it. And the same thing, we just print like a bottom wick and a 85 and react off of. But this is the thing, bro. If this 5 minute flip, re-break it slows, we might be cooked, bro. Or not might, but we're done for if that will happen. You see it? Whenever you expect this 15 minute to drive all the way down, close below the range. Worse whenever I have a top weight, but we got like the last minute left. You see it? We might get like a closure below the range. But say if we get like a closure respecting like 28 chat, then would that be good? Because you'd expect the next 15 minute can go for print like a bottom with top 27 and flip back bullish. Once we get like a bullish flip, we're still good for go straight up towards 35. You see it? That's what I expect. We got the last 30 seconds left. 5 minute candle. My close bearish below. So you just try. You see if I lose a trader, we just forward back tomorrow, bro. You see it? And just follow the plan same way. Nothing no change. have to show up every single day, bro. We close. So chat, we get like a bullish closure, but what I said is this is like a bullish closure respecting. You see me chat? Whenever I really close bullish, like we close bullish above 27, but me I look for a closure above like 28 or 29. You see me chat? That's how me I look for closure above 28 or 29. But if this candle can start to push up, start to give a closure above, that would have been decent as well. But maybe I expect this 5-minute candle at least give a closure above 29. You see me, would have been good. Because if we get like closure above 29, as I can see, chat, we're still good for drive because straight up. You see me, as I can see in our past, bro. But it's like, would I say this is like a bullish closure respecting. You see me? And the 15 start for print a top wick. Yeah, chat. So if it's 15 minute can go flip back bearish, might be GG's, bro. Might be GG's, chat. Top week, yes, sir. Chat, you know me I gonna do chat? You know me I gonna do chat? You see this 30-minute candle chat? And the 30 or the 15? Yeah. Look chat. What me I gonna do? I wanna see like a closure chat. You see if we can manage to close above 29, as well as I say, can manage to close above 29 chat, print another bottom wick. This is our price now for let me try to show you. So we get like a closure above 29, we get like another bottom wick. You gotta expect price to drive down. You see it top like 28. If you can top 28 and then flip back bullish chat, that would have been good. If we top 28 then flip back bullish, that would have been good, bro. Cause even though we not draw down, like we would still expect like another bottom wick get print. You see me? If gold can just drive down without print another bottom wick, that sorry, not drive down. If you can just drive up without print another bottom wick, that would have been good for we. But if me I gonna be real, bro, like price, like it can't have a print structure. You see me chat? So like, oh, we drive up, you don't need to see it can go reject, print like a bottom wick, and then flip back bullish, and then you can say yeah, you know, it might be good from this, bro. Oh, what's this still? We got like what? Got like a minute left until this 5 close chat. So can this 5 minute can be close bullish? Chat, we got like last 30 seconds, 5 minute candle above for close. So look at my close bearish below the range. Yeah, bearish close at chat. You see if price open up print like a top wick first, I just exit the trade. You see me? Because we close bearish below the range of 45. So let me see. Alright, chat. Chat, my close. I just exit the trade just now. You see it? I think I exit the trade like up here, so chat, basically why I'm close off and just accept the L because the 5 minute candle close below the range, chat. When we get like a 5 minute candle print at top with fall all the way back down and close below the range, this 5, after this 5 print like a top wick, we could just once this 5 minute candle flip, chat, we are gonna fall straight down and fill the range. So I'm just close off. I think this was like, let me measure this. I'm just close off, chat. This was like a 35 pip L. 35. I'm call it, chat. As I'm say, I'm just call it because the 5 minute candle close below the range. If this 5 minute candle flip back bearish, we are go straight down after that. You see me? Straight down after that, bro. But chat, me I call it, you see it? Me I call it, chat. Tomorrow is a new day. This was like what? This was like a 35 pip L, chat, you see me? I just journal that and forward back tomorrow. I think tomorrow when Wednesday or something like so. Forward back tomorrow, chat, and see what can go on, you see? But me I call it a day right here, so you see it, chat. Let me see what go on. Yeah, chat. I call it a day right here, so soon tomorrow, bro. Make sure I journal this stuff. I do it after stream. I'll update the stream record. But respect to everybody who followed on the live stream. Just drop a like on your way out. I appreciate that same way. But that is it, chat. Me soon tomorrow.